8 simple tips to enhance natural beauty. Natural beauty is something everyone is looking for. Whether you are a girl or a boy, everyone likes to be beautiful. Rather than taking artificial substances, natural things can make your beauty last for a long period. Today we are going to talk about 8 simple tips to enhance your natural beauty and glow. 1. Cleanse your skin. Try to wash and cleanse your face at least 2 times per day. Our skin can be open to dust and bacteria every time when we go to the outside. So cleansing is the best way to brighten up your skin, and doing this as a practice can make your beauty naturally enhanced. 2. Moisturize. Our face always needs to be moisturized after cleaning it. Try to moisturize the skin with aloe vera 2 times in a day, early in the morning, and night before going into the bed. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer, and it is the best natural substance to make your skin naturally glow. Apply a small amount of coconut oil in your full body, and you will see an instant glow within your skin. 4. Eat carrot. Carrot is a good vegetable that is always known to make your skin fair and glow. Carrots do not give your skin a yellow or orange color. Carrot is enriched with vitamin A, thus it naturally enhances the skin glow. Try to add carrots into your every meal. It protects your skin from sun damages and acts as a natural tan. 5. Take a sufficient good night's sleep. Sleeping is the way to give your body a rest from working throughout the whole day. So, try to take at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day, to look younger, and to get natural shine within your whole body. 6. Use a sun cream. When you are going to the outside, sun rays can damage your skin and natural beauty. So, try to use sun cream whenever you are going to the outside, to protect your skin. 7. Pay attention to what you eat. You are the visible sign of the foods you are eating. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables, greens, vitamins and minerals for your body. Take less amount of sugar in your diet. So, pay attention to what you eat daily. 8. Work out well. As much as we eat, we must burn them from our bodies. Otherwise, you will be out of shape. To become naturally beautiful, do some exercises like running, walking, or other forms of exercises. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every day.